ASVAB Practice Test 1 Arithmetic Reasoning. Question 1. If a car is towed 12 miles to the repair shop, and the tow charge is $3.50 per mile, how much did the tow cost? Option A $12, Option B $3.50, Option C $42, Option D $100. The correct answer is option C, $42. Question 2. The sum of two numbers is 70. One number is 8 more than the other. What's the smaller number? Option A, 31, Option B, 33, Option C, 35, Option D, 36. The correct answer is option A, 31. Question 3. A sales manager buys antacid in bottles by the gross. If he goes through 3 bottles of antacid every day, how long will the gross last? Option A, 144 days, Option B, 3 days, Option C, 20 days, Option D, 48 days. The correct answer is option D, 48 days. Question 4. Jenny's test grades are 93, 89, 96, and 98. If she wishes to raise her average to 95, what does she need to score on her next test? Option A, 100, Option B, 99, Option C, 97, Option D, 95. The correct answer is option B, 99. Question 5. A waitress earns an average tip of 12% of the cost of the food she serves. If she serves $375 worth of food in one evening, how much money in tips will she earn on average? Option A, $37, Option B, $45, Option C, $42, Option D, $420. The correct answer is option B, $45. Question 6. How many square feet of carpeting are needed to carpet a 12-foot times 12-foot room? Option A, 24, Option B, 120, Option C, 48, Option D, 144. The correct answer is option D, 144. Question 7. Carpet stain protector costs 65 cents per square yard to apply. How much will it cost to apply the protectant to a 16-foot times 18-foot carpet? Option A, $187.20, Option B, $62.40, Option C, $20.80, Option D, $96. The correct answer is option C, $20.80. Question 8. A printing plant that produces baseball cards has a monthly overhead of $6,000. It costs 18 cents to print each card, and the cards sell for 30 cents each. How many cards must the printing plant sell each month in order to make a profit? Option A, 30,000, Option B, 40,000, Option C, 50,000, Option D, 60,000. The correct answer is option D, 60,000. Question 9. Joe received an hourly wage of $8.15. His boss gave him a 7% raise. How much does Joe make per hour now? Option A, 57 cents, Option B, $8.90, Option C, $8.72, Option D, $13.85. The correct answer is option C, $8.72. Question 10. Alice leaves her house, driving east at 45 miles per hour, mph. 30 minutes later, her husband Dave notices she forgot her cell phone and sets off after her. How fast must Dave travel in order to catch up with Alice 3 hours after he leaves? Option A, 49 miles per hour, Option B, 50.5 miles per hour, Option C, 52.5 miles per hour, Option D, 54 miles per hour. The correct answer is option C, 52.5 miles per hour. Question 11. A baker made 20 pies. A Boy Scout troop buys 1/4 of his pies, a preschool teacher buys 1/3 of his pies, and a caterer buys 1/6 of his pies. How many pies does the baker have left? Option A, 3, 4, Option B, 15, Option C, 12, Option D, 5. The correct answer is option B, 15. Question 12. Miriam bought 5 cases of motor oil on sale. A case of motor oil normally costs $24, but she was able to purchase the oil for $22.50 a case. How much money did Miriam save on her entire purchase? Option A, $7.50, Option B, $1.50, Option C, $8, Option D, $22.50. The correct answer is option A, $7.50. Question 13. A security guard walks the equivalent of 6 city blocks when he makes a circuit around the building. If he walks at a pace of 8 city blocks every 30 minutes, how long will it take him to complete a circuit around the building, assuming he doesn't run into any thieves? Option A, 20.00 minutes. Option B, 3.75 minutes. Option C, 22.50 minutes. Option D, 7.5 minutes. The correct answer is option C, 22.50 minutes. Question 14. The population of Grand Island, Nebraska, grew by 600,000 people between 1995 and 2005, 1/5 more than the town council predicted. The town council originally predicted the city's population would grow by option A, 400,000, option B, 500,000, option C, 300,000, option D, 100,000. The correct answer is option B, 500,000. Question 15. Joan is taking an admissions examination. If she has to get at least 40 of the 60 questions right to pass, what percent of the questions does she need to answer correctly? Option A, 30%, option B, 40%, option C, 66.13%, option D, 66.23%, 66. The correct answer is option D, 66.23%, 66. Question 16. A teacher deposits $3,000 in a retirement fund. If she doesn't add any more money to the fund, which earns an annual interest rate of 6%, how much money would she have in 1 year? Option A, $180, option B, $3,006, option C, $3,180, option D, $6,000. The correct answer is option C, $3,180. Question 17. The high school track measures 1/4 of a mile around. How many laps would you have to run in order to run 3.5 miles? Option A, 12, option B, 14, option C, 16, option D, 18. The correct answer is option B, 14. Question 18. Carl is driving in Austria, where the speed limit is posted in kilometers per hour. The car's speedometer shows that he's traveling at a rate of 75 kilometers per hour. Carl knows that a kilometer is about 5/8 of a mile. Approximately how many miles per hour is Carl traveling? Option A, 47, option B, 120, option C, 50, option D, 53. The correct answer is option A, 47. Question 19. A carpenter earns $12.30 an hour for a 40-hour week. His overtime pay is 112 times his base pay. If he puts in a 46-hour week, how much is his weekly pay? Option A, $602.70, option B, $492, option C, $565.80, option D, $110.70. The correct answer is option A, $602.70. Question 20. An office building has 30 employees and allows 42 square feet of workspace per employee. If 5 more employees are hired, how much less workspace will each employee have? Option A, 6 square feet, option B, 7 square feet, option C, 7.5 square feet, option D, 36 square feet. The correct answer is option A, 6 square feet. Question 21. Stan bought a monster truck for $2,000 down and payments of $450 a month for 5 years. What's the total cost of the monster truck? Option A, $4,250. Option B, $29,000, option C, $27,000, option D, $34,400. The correct answer is option B, $29,000. Question 22. Darla spent $120.37 on groceries in January, $108.45 in February, and $114.86 in March. What was the average monthly cost of Darla's groceries? Option A, $343.68, option B, $110.45, option C, $114.86, option D, $114.56. The correct answer is option D, $114.56. Question 23. Keith is driving from Reno to Kansas City to meet his girlfriend. The distance between the two cities is 1,650 miles. If Keith can average 50 miles per hour, how many hours will it take him to complete his trip? Option A, 8 hours. Option B, 30 hours. Option C, 33 hours. Option D, 82 hours. The correct answer is option C, 33 hours. Question 24. Michael needs 55 gallons of paint to paint an apartment building. He would like to purchase the paint for the least amount of money possible. Which of the following should he buy? Option A, 2 25-gallon buckets at $550 each. Option B, 11 5-gallon buckets at $108 each. Option C, 6 10-gallon buckets at $215 each. Option D, 55 1-gallon buckets at $23 EAC. The correct answer is option B, 11 5-gallon buckets at $108 each. Question 25. As a member of FEMA, you're required to set up a contingency plan to supply meals to residents of a town devastated by a tornado. A breakfast ration weighs 12 ounces and the lunch and dinner rations weigh 18 ounces each. Assuming a food truck can carry 3 tons and that each resident will receive 3 meals per day, how many residents can you feed from one truck during a 10-day period? Option A, 150 residents. Option B, 200 residents. Option C, 250 residents. Option D, 300 residents. The correct answer is option B, 200 residents. Question 26. A train headed south for Wichita left the station at the same time a train headed north for Des Moines left the same station. The train headed for Wichita traveled at 55 miles per hour. The train headed for Des Moines traveled at 70 miles per hour. How many miles apart were the trains at the end of 3 hours? Option A, 210 miles. Option B, 165 miles. Option C, 125 miles. Option D, 375 miles. The correct answer is option D, 375 miles. Question 27. A carpenter needs to cut 4 sections, each 3 feet, 8 inches long, from a piece of molding. If the board is only sold by the foot, what's the shortest length of board she can buy? Option A, 15 feet. Option B, 14 feet. Option C, 16 feet. Option D, 12 feet. The correct answer is option A, 15 feet. Question 28. Kia had only one coupon for 10% off one frozen turkey breast. The turkey breasts cost $8.50 each, and Kia wanted to buy 2. How much did she pay? Option A, $16.15. Option B, $17. Option C, $15.30. Option D, $7.65. The correct answer is option A, $16.15. Question 29. A recruiter travels 1,100 miles during a 40-hour workweek. If she spends 2/5 of her time traveling, how many hours does she spend traveling? Option A, 22. Option B, 512. Option C, 16. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option C, 16. Question 30. Your car uses gasoline at the rate of 21 miles per gallon. If gasoline costs $2.82 per gallon, and you drive for 7 hours at a speed of 48 miles per hour, how much will you pay for gasoline for the trip? Option A, $38.18. Option B, $45.12. Option C, $47.73. Option D, $59.27. The correct answer is option B, $45.12. Question 31. If you roll 2 6-sided dice, what's the probability of not rolling a 5 on either die? Option A, 136. Option B, 16. Option C, 436. Option D, 2536. The correct answer is option D, 2536. Question 32. Jack loaned Bob $1,500 at an annual interest rate of 7%. After 1 year, how much will Bob owe Jack? Option A, $105. Option B, $1,500. Option C, $1,605. Option D, $1,507. The correct answer is option C, $1,605. Question 33. A 2-ton truck is taxed at a rate of 12 cents per pound. How much is the total tax bill? Option A, $480. Option B, $240. Option C, $120. Option D, $600. The correct answer is option A, $480. Question 34. If AB equals 10, and A2 plus B2 equals 30, solve for y in the equation, y equals A plus B, 2. Option A 40, option B 45, option C 50, option D 55. The correct answer is option C, 50. Question 35. A half pint of cream is what part of a gallon? Option A 1/8, option B 1/4, option C 1/16, option D 1/6. The correct answer is option C, 1/16. Question 36. The cost of a protein bar increased from $2.50 to $2.80. The percent increase to the $2.80 rate was how much? Option A 16%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 12%. The correct answer is option D, 12%. Question 37. An aircraft flies over Boondock Air Force Base at 10:20 a.m. At 10:32 a.m., the plane passes over Seaside Naval Air Station, 120 miles away. How fast is the aircraft traveling? Option A, 400 miles per hour, option B, 500 miles per hour, option C, 600 miles per hour, option D, 700 miles per hour. The correct answer is option C, 600 miles per hour. Question 38. Last year, Margot grew 50 bushels of corn in her backyard. This year, the yield has increased 8%. How many bushels of corn did Margot grow this year? Option A 56, option B 52, option C 60, option D 54. The correct answer is option D, 54. Question 39. Junior has saved money in his piggy bank over the winter. He wants to buy a $30 computer game. If he has 14 $1 bills, 16 half dollars, 12 quarters, 8 dimes, 25 nickels, and 10 pennies, how much more does he need to borrow from Dad to buy the game? Option A, $27.15, option B, $2.85, option C, $2.95, option D, $1.85. The correct answer is option B, $2.85. Question 40. Debbie receives a weekly salary of $80, plus a 5% commission on any sales. During the week, she has $800 in total sales. What's the ratio of her commission to her salary? Option A 2:1, option B 1:2, option C 3:1, option D 1:3. The correct answer is option B, 1:2. Question 41. How many quart cans can be filled from a 25-gallon bucket of paint? Option A 50, option B 75, option C 100, option D 80. The correct answer is option C, 100. Question 42. If a crew of 4 people can paint the barn in 3 days, how long will it take a crew of 2 people? Option A 4 days, option B 2 days, option C 8 days, option D 6 days. The correct answer is option D, 6 days. Question 43. Brian works for 5 hours and is paid $24. Christina works for 3 hours and is paid $10.95. How much more per hour does Brian make than Christina? Option A, $1.15, option B, $1.25, option C, $1.35, option D, $1.37. The correct answer is option A, $1.15. Question 44. Margaret is getting married and must be ready by 11:15 a.m. If it's now 8:30 a.m., how much time does she have to get ready? Option A, 112 hours, option B, 212 hours, option C, 234 hours, option D, 213 hours too. The correct answer is option C, 234 hours. Question 45. An accounting firm employee is asked to shred 900 documents. If he can shred documents at a rate of 7 per minute, the number of documents remaining after 1½ hours of shredding is: option A, 630, option B, 90, option C, 270, option D, 810. The correct answer is option C, 270. Question 46. A home stereo depreciates by 20% each year. What's the value of a stereo, purchased new for $1,200, after 2 years? Option A, $768, option B, $693, option C, $827, option D, $654. The correct answer is option A, $768. Question 47. Janet's old pickup truck can only reach a speed of 45 miles per hour. If she drives at top speed, how long will it take her to reach a city 135 miles away? Option A, 3 hours. Option B, 2 hours. Option C, 4 hours. Option D, 2 hours. The correct answer is option A, 3 hours. Question 48. A blouse normally costs $18.50. How much money is saved if the blouse is purchased at a 20% discount? Option A, $1.85. Option B, $14.80. Option C, $4.50. Option D, $3.70. The correct answer is option D, $3.70. Question 49. A clerk's weekly salary of $320 is increased to $360. The percent increases: option A, 10.12%, option B, 11%, option C, 12.12%, option D, 12%. 12. The correct answer is option A, 10.12%. Question 50. Two go-karts are racing on a circular track with a circumference of 360 feet. Camera 1 is following go-kart 1, and camera 2 is following go-kart 2. If the angle between the two cameras is 40 degrees, how far apart are the two go-karts? Option A, 30 feet. Option B, 40 feet. Option C, 50 feet. Option D, 60 feet. The correct answer is option B, 40 feet. Question 51. Dinner at a nice restaurant cost $35.98. If Joan gave the cashier $40, how much change should she get back? Option A, $5.02. Option B, $4.02. Option C, $3.92. Option D, $1.02. The correct answer is option B, $4.02. Question 52. A balloonist circumnavigated the globe in 13 days, 12 hours, 16 minutes, and 13 seconds. A plane circumnavigates the globe in 4 days, 10 hours, 15 minutes, and 7 seconds. How much longer did it take for the balloon to go around the world? Option A, 12 days, 7 hours, 11 minutes, and 35 seconds. Option B, 9 days, 2 hours, 1 minute, and 6 seconds. Option C, 8 days, 14 hours, 16 minutes, and 6 seconds. Option D, 9 days, 7 hours, 3 minutes, and 20 seconds. The correct answer is option B, 9 days, 2 hours, 1 minute, and 6 seconds. Question 53. Darlene bought 12 boxes of cookies for $48. What was the cost of each box of cookies? Option A, $4. Option B, 48 cents. Option C, 40 cents. Option D, $4.80. The correct answer is option A, $4. Question 54. A tune-up increases a car's fuel efficiency by 5%. If a car averaged 20 miles per gallon before the tune-up, how many miles per gallon will it average after the tune-up? Option A, 25. Option B, 22. Option C, 21.2. Option D, 21. The correct answer is option D, 21. Question 55. A lumberjack wishes to drive a spike through the center of a tree with a circumference of 43.96 feet. What's the minimum length of the spike needed to go completely through the tree, passing through the center? Option A, 14 feet. Option B, 15 feet. Option C, 16 feet. Option D, 17 feet. The correct answer is option A, 14 feet. Question 56. A bin of hard candy holds 1012 pounds. How many 3-4-pound boxes of candy can be filled from the bin? Option A, 30 boxes. Option B, 1514 boxes. Option C, 778 boxes. Option D, 14 boxes. The correct answer is option D, 14 boxes. Question 57. A patio measures 12 feet by 14 feet. How many 8-inch square paving stones are needed to pave the patio? Option A, 21. Option B, 252. Option C, 378. Option D, 168. The correct answer is option C, 378. Question 58. A computer programmer is making $25,000 per year. 28% of her salary is withheld for federal and state deductions. How much is the computer programmer's net pay? Option A, $20,000. Option B, $7,000. Option C, $18,750. Option D, $18,000. The correct answer is option D, $18,000. Question 59. Pam cuts a pie in half in a straight line. She then cuts a line from the center to the edge, creating a 55-degree angle. What's the supplement of that angle? Option A, 55 degrees. Option B, 125 degrees. Option C, 70 degrees. Option D, 130 degrees. The correct answer is option B, 125 degrees. Question 60. A stack of lumber is 6 feet high. If each piece of lumber is 4 inches thick, how many pieces of lumber are in the stack? Option A, 72. Option B, 12. Option C, 18. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option C, 18.